everyone. So we are days away from our Michigan trip, and so today I'm going to be packing away the girls' clothes before work and before our evening activities. I just wanted to go ahead and knock it out today so that I can focus on work, and then tomorrow I will be doing mine and Matt's suitcase. But for now, here is what I'm doing for the girls. So I have all their clothes laid out by day, and I'm going to roll them up in the Ziplocs because I thought this may be better for some people to show them like complete outfits before I pack it all in Ziplocs and roll it up and put it in the suitcase. Which, speaking of which, some of you may recognize this suitcase from our Disney packing videos. Well, this suitcase set was given to us as a present for my new job because I am a travel agent now, and I'm going to be traveling more. And we needed suitcases. We had two really nice ones given to us recently, but for longer trips, we really needed bigger suitcases, and for trips where we need like carry-ons and things of that nature. So we were given this luggage set, and it's beautiful, and I love it, and I am so thankful for it. So for those of you that weren't with us on our Disney packing videos, this is a Samantha Brown series, and this is in the teal color. And I love this suitcase. I have heard complaints of people that took them on flights. They would get scratched right here. But most of my travel right now is all road tripping. And this is absolutely perfect for what we need it for. So this is the largest suitcase in this series. If you ever want to buy a suitcase set for Disney cruising, this is the largest suitcase that you can actually get to take on a Disney cruise. It meets the absolute maximum capacity, even with the extended zipper unzipped. So this is what the girls are getting packed into, and then Matt and I are going to be sharing the, I'll show you real quick, the next size down one. And then I may take the, this is the one that Matt used for his carry-on for the Disney cruise. We may take that for like last minute things. But for now, we're going to pack the girls' clothes into the big suitcase. So all three of them are getting their, what we call their Disney cruise sandals. This is Rebecca and Sarah's. Madeline is going to bring me hers in just a minute. They're doing school while I'm packing. So, and then each of them has their swimsuits. And then because last time we went to Michigan, we're so used to a southern summer where it's more humid and warm, even like sometimes at night. Sometimes in Michigan in the summer they get kind of cool at night, so I went ahead and packed them each hoodies. And we're going to be going a little bit farther north than we ever have before because we're also going to Mackinac Island. So each of them has hoodies, and then underneath their hoodies I have each of them an undergarments bag packed as well, with the change of undergarment for each day. Which, I mean, it's not a complete necessity because as I roll these up, the reason these are folded in half because they actually have their underwear for the day in with them. But it allows them to have extra for just in case. Like we've found that like through our cruise, the kids will have underwear with their clothes rolled up for the day, but then they may go swimming and then they'll come back and change later. And even if they put like the same dress on, they'll want different undergarments. So that's why we do that. Okay, so for day one, each of the girls picked out, or day one is travel. Let me show you on my itinerary really quick. So I always write out an itinerary, and I have chicken scratch, which is why I type more than I write. But day one is going to be traveling to Michigan, and then so we may or may not need a change of clothes for day one. But I go ahead and do it so that if we want to change like for dinner, or I don't even know what our full plans are yet for day one, but we will have a change of clothes for when we get there, because we should be there about 3 in the afternoon. So we'll still have the whole evening ahead of us. But so this gives us a nice change of clothes. I'm also packing them like one long sleeve, and that will also be what that is for. So long sleeve with longer leggings to go with it, with, you know, nicer dresses. The girls prefer to wear mostly dresses, so they have like a lot of dresses and skirts in here. So this is day one for all of them. So something comfortable, long sleeve, you know, simple pieces to put together. Madeline's is a layered, she has a short sleeve with a long sleeve with her skirt. So there's day one. Day two for each of them is what we call their solo-away dresses, because that's what they wore it for. Donald absolutely loved the red and white striped on Rebecca because it looked just like his sailor shirt. But that's for each of them. They each have their sail away dresses. Madeline's was solid blue for the Blue Disney Cruise Line color. And then for day 3, because day 2 we're going to Mackinac Island. Let me pull this back up. So yeah, day 2, Mackinac Island. Day 3 is the family reunion. So something that's more like they could play in. Shorts to go with their little summer skirts that they wanted. And then Rebecca's wearing her Hidden Mickey tie-dye. And then Sarah for that is wearing a blue shirt that we had bought Madeline for the cruise, and then a little lightweight blue skirt that Sarah had worn with her Bon Voyage shirt. And then Madeline is wearing this fun pink skirt with a princess shirt to go for her day for the family reunion. So day 4, we are actually going to be going to church with Matt's grandma while we're up there, the girls' great grandma. And so I packed them some summer nice dresses. These are some of the ones that they wore. Like Rebecca wore this one on the dress up night on our cruise, and she loves it. And I made this little shawl, or not shawl, bolero to go with it, and that's hers. And then Sarah has a spaghetti strap one with this little fun ruffle on the front of it. She said it reminded her like a Moana style. And then she has a pink sweater as well. And then that way, like, they're still summery dresses, but they have, like, you know, these shawls to go with them. So I'm going to hold the camera a little bit closer for just a minute so I can pull that sleeve out. But this is one I made Madeline recently that has a long sleeve to go with her spaghetti strap summer dress. But yeah, that way they can still have summer dresses, but they still won't freeze in church with the air conditioning on. Alright. And then for day 5 is traveling home. So I pack them for day 5. I always tell them, okay, point me to your most comfortable clothes in the closet for riding in a car all day. So this is Rebecca's. It's a little tiered skirt. I think both Madeline and Rebecca picked tiered skirts because they said they're more comfortable to ride home in. And then she has her Frozen shirt as well, you know, something fun character. Because for this one, instead of doing the audiobooks, I'm going to bring the DVD player for them to watch videos, to give them a break from audiobooks. And because I love listening to the audiobooks, but sometimes I also need time to just talk to Matt whenever we're road tripping. And so we're going to do the audio, or do DVDs this time. Let them pick out their Disney DVDs. Yep, Sarah's is a tiered skirt too. So apparently, like my girls for travel, just a travel tip, my girls love the tiered skirts for traveling. So this is one Sarah picked out with a solid pink shirt with little sparkles on the pocket, just a little bit of bling. And then Madeline, where is hers? Yeah, Madeline picked this purple skirt that I'd actually bought her for the cruise, but she said it's not comfortable to like wear just like where we do a lot of walking, but it's so comfortable for riding in the car. And then she has her Castaway Key shirt to go with it. And let's see. So after that, I pack one extra change of clothes. So I have one outfit for every day, including the day we arrive. The next outfit is literally just an extra change of clothes. So it will go in a bag called day 6. And this is the one Rebecca picked. It's the white skirt with the Snow White shirt that she wore to Epcot. It's that way it's kind of casual, but it's also kind of nice. That way for either need that we need it to fill. Sarah's is her Moana skirt with like a green t-shirt and shorts to go with hers as well. And then Madeline is her Beauty and the Beast skirt with a yellow kind of dressy but still t-shirt style shirt to go with it. And so that's how we do it, is we try to pick something that's kind of like a dressy, dress up-ish style, but not like super dressy, for just an extra outfit, like if we want to change to go to dinner somewhere one night, or just need something not quite as nice and dressy as like their spaghetti strap if we do decide to go to the zoo on Sunday. And then the only thing left is 2 pairs of pajamas for each of them. So on weekend trips, I only take them 1 pair of pajamas, but since we are arriving on Thursday and leaving on Monday, I am going to do 2 pairs of pajamas. That way they have one pajama for each night. Rebecca picked her Snow White gown. She loves Snow White. And then she picked her archery gown as well. And then, that goes on top. Sarah, I don't think Sarah actually picked her second one. So Sarah hasn't picked her second one yet, but her first one, she is taking the Ladybug gown. Madeline picked her 2-piece BB-8 pajama pants set. It's long sleeve and pants, but it's super comfy. So for my tween, I found that when you go to get pajamas from Disney, because this is when Disney had their major 40 to 60% off sale at Christmas, buy your tween the smallest adult size. Madeline absolutely loves having the adult size because she'll have more room to grow, and it's not as tight as some of the other sizes. And then she also has like this t-shirt style gown that she picked for her second pair of pajamas. So that is it for the girls packing for the Michigan trip coming up. I will probably here in a minute finish rolling all these up and then show you what it looks like once I get it in here. So here's the girls' suitcase, completely all packed up. I did end up having to swap them. I still may end up with a 3rd suitcase just for our clothes. But again, it is for 5 days. But I got, you can see that they're all rolled up in here, and just lay their hoodies on top. Their sandals are going here, and then I'm just going to cram, I may move this hat here and then put more sandals here. And then when we go shoe shopping on Friday or Saturday, I'll probably have to put their tennis shoes in the 3rd bag. So this is it for the girls' suitcase. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.